In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view only unread emails in Gmail. This simple technique can help you manage your inbox more effectively, allowing you to focus on messages that still need your attention. First, let's ensure you're in your Gmail account. Open up your web browser and navigate to Gmail, and log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're on the main inbox page. This is where all your emails land. Once you're there, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. This search feature is a powerful tool within Gmail, allowing you to filter, sort, and find emails with specific criteria, making it easier to manage your inbox effectively. Now here's the magic part. You'll want to type in a specific command into this search bar. Type in is unread. This command acts as a filter, separating your unread emails from the entire batch of messages cluttering your inbox. It's essentially telling Gmail to show you only those emails you haven't clicked on yet, and therefore haven't read. Press Enter, and like clockwork, Gmail will refresh to display an organized list of all unopened messages in your account. This view is particularly handy when you need to prioritize what emails you should be looking at next. Whether it's a newsletter you've been meaning to browse or an important email from a client, this method helps you streamline your workflow by decluttering your inbox visually. It's a straightforward but powerful trick to stay on top of things, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Remember that once you've responded to or no longer need to keep these messages unread, you can either archive them or mark them as read, depending on your preference. Utilizing this feature regularly can dramatically improve your email management skills, giving you more control over your correspondence. It saves time and reduces the stress of having an overwhelming number of unread emails. If you're wondering why it's showing emails that you may have seen but not marked as read, double-check that your email wasn't opened in another app or device, as that could sometimes mark an email as read in one place but not in another. Should you need to return to your standard inbox view, simply click the Inbox link on the left-hand side of the Gmail page. This will bring up all your emails once again, including those you've already opened. Using this simple feature of typing is unread into the search bar whenever your unread emails start piling up can be a real game changer for managing your inbox efficiently and effectively. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch how it revolutionizes your daily email routine.